अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
We hold punches, alright? We hold punches के लिए तैयार? Chest up and we go into V, okay? And do the punches. Push, 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 push. Come on. Go slow and controlled. Come on, push. Punch it, guys. Punch it. Come on. Are you guys enjoying it? Remember, you can always take a break. You can take a break. You can take a break and still do it. Awesome. See, he is doing in a perfect form. Come on, push, 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 push. Awesome, awesome, awesome. He's shaking. Alright, come on, push, push, push. Punch it, punch it. आज का move का नाम ही है hundreds. Alright, so I'll show you. If you can do this, keeping your head up like this, and you have to move up and down. So 1, 2 is your 1 count. Alright, so 1, 2 is your 1 count. So put yourself. You can keep your head down. Your whole core is working. You're really working on your abs, or you're working on your lower ab. If you just lift your head up a little bit, you engage your upper abs as well. So 1, 2 is 1. 1, 2 is 1. Keep breathing. You don't have to hold your breath. Alright, remember, keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. You have to supply oxygen to your muscles. Spider lunges. Alright, so I'll show you quickly. Okay, what does spider lunges mean? You have to do like a Spider-Man, you know. This is how the Spider-Man looks. And get your leg a little bit closer to your hand. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. And you don't have to lift your butt up like this. And you keep going and keep counting. You're really squeezing your obliques here. You're really working on your love handles. Awesome. Don't take longer breaks. Don't take longer breaks. Keep going. Push, push, push. Look at the intensity. Look at the power on your face. Let me see. Where are you? 25, 50. अगर आपको ये वर्कआउट सीरीज पसंद आ रही है तो कमेंट करें और अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ में शेयर करें. Till then, stay home, stay fit. See you soon.